you keep getting the "How would you like to send you critical alerts" prompt on your iPhone? Well, if you are stuck on the "How would you like to send you critical alerts" error and you are unable to take any action, don't worry. Try these 3 quick advanced steps to resolve the issue. Try force quitting the app by swiping up on the app from the app switcher and reopening it again. But if your iPhone is frozen, then solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. Depending on your iPhone model, press and hold either the volume up button and the side button on iPhone X and newer models. Keep holding the buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Release the buttons once you see the Apple logo and wait for your iPhone to start. Solution 2. Offload the Home app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Home app, tap Offload the app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. Solution 3. Reset all settings. If all issue persists, you may need to reset all your iPhone settings. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Reset all settings. By doing this process, your problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.